When we reach India as a political asylum, naturally our main concern or our main task is the various sort of project regarding preservation of Tibetan spirituality, Tibetan culture, Tibetan identity.
I have never seen Tibet, I have never seen performance in Tibet, and I'm born in exile in India. So it's a very hard time for me.
제단에 선음 최고야 전달업디 부만고 요래 부모만고 요래 따디게 나래야 깨약 또 치쇼 깨래 깨디 약로 냐하고 거래 탑지 약로 냐하고 거래 아니 소소 쿠르스네 소소 쿠르치야 줘봐.
But I will, until now, I don't accept myself as a good opera master. I still think I'm learning because I'm just always, every time I take classes these days, I teach opera to the younger artists and senior artists of Tipa. But still, whenever I teach something, I go to him, bring him, I let them perform for him until he is satisfied.
This something early in any promoter top show will not put. Then other two you about to this and any younger Michel Kundil top this and a promoter render. Dima say in that Chigeri Jagale 30 Pomodranum Sidus and enter you would have chat with them. nga pure te pomo chabdi sane nga ba de pomo tublo khotsa de nga pomo yin a samsar che ju le ni ngare thabe de pomo to zolab de labne pomo de thabdi sane ta goran pomo re de 처음에 보면 나만 걸어 땡제 터보러 봐. 이건도 쉬고랑 하스 고면도. 나는 나 터도 있잖아. 나 부르에 보면 터도 있잖아. 나 봐도 보면 돌로 건다도 나 보면 이 삼사를지. 터보.
Cannot promise that I can be a good master. I think in exile, Tibetan opera master has a big responsibility. Because you see, His Holiness the Dalai Lama says, opera is the heart of Tibetan art.
One unique and also very ancient, that's Tibetan per se, we call Lhamo Namtar. That is something unique. These are traditionally very helpful, not only just a performance or for entertainment, but also they carry some message of compassion.
and being performed so long in Tibet, and I always wish to one time Tibet gets free, I like to perform on Nobulinga stage where my master has performed. My biggest achievement in my life, actually, I'm an actor. I wanted to be an actor all the time, you see, and working in the movie Kundan, which is directed by Martin Scorsese. It's a life story biography of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. I think it's important. It's my job to keep the tradition alive. I know this is my job. But looking for the time changes, people, different people. So we need to change a little bit, cut it, make it shorter and more beautiful, like not like where we performed in Tibet. I might change, I might make new opera, who knows, modern opera.